Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we will be doing a quick sketch of the upper body. We have done a few videos featuring the upper torso. However, this one is with a slightly different focus, so we are going to try to accomplish this in as quick a time as possible while taking care of the balance and the anatomy. So we'll have the shoulder set right here. So like it is the usual stuff. Collar bone structure is right there. Let's like make it a little like chiseled. So this torso is more of a general, like a routine body. Routine in the sense that it is like it's always better to draw a fairly like fit individual, because it helps tap in to different elements that you may that you get to work with. But at the same time, we do know that realistically there are still by comparison like far and in between the number of people who are actually like fit to that certain level. So there's also the more like fit but ideally like more conventional figure, and that's what we are working with here. So that is the set of lines that we have put in. And in a moment you will be able to, if you check out our other videos, you'll be able to make a comparison in terms of how this very general figure works with our other featured videos where we have comparatively more defined frame. So just putting in the usual things. So vein structure around the collarbone. There's the collarbone right there. Stick with the camera angle there. So those are the pecs. So again, just core definition, like going in. Let's put that out. Then let's put some, let's have some serratus structure too, where you'll see that it'll be optimal. And yes, we are doing the torso of a young person, so yes, young people, some level of fitness is always desirable. And here we have some core lines we're working on. So if you have those few things in place, we can begin right there as well. And we'll just put in some tones, and let's observe as we do a little speed up and put in tones in the different places. Of course, please do check out our other videos as well when we are going step by step and throwing in tones into arms, chest, side of the torso against different light sources. So please do check those out, but we are tapping into pretty much the routine things here. So light is pretty much coming head on, and we're going to do some tones accordingly. So just like follow along. And if you have a conventional, like I am using a 3B here, just the 3B will be sufficient for this entire exercise. Of course, it's good to use different pencils, but we can accomplish this just by using a 3B, or if you want fish to use a 2B, that's also fine. So there we have it, a fit but more general body. And then if you notice again on the arms, the tonal, like the structure, like this one is a little more like downstretched, this one is a little up. The forearms are slightly differently emphasized as well, including the dark, more intense shadows. The work along the delts is also slightly different. So please do try it out and try like different angles of composition. It's a very, very fun and very essential exercise and anatomy of the upper body. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.